Right. Looks like I'm live right now. Abhi, it's 2:20 p.m. I don't know if you can see the time यहाँ से. Can you? हाँ देख सकते हैं. Correct. So पौने 12 बजे तो I couldn't come back because the Wi-Fi here was on. So that I ended up taking a bit of a pause there up until lunch. There is this book my girlfriend gave me to read. It's called Carrie Soto is Back. A friend of mine gave it to me. What? Soto is back. I've never referenced it from the this thing, I guess. इसलिए it's this book and it's fun रे so far मतलब. The problem is ना is that एक second is that I have read books which have been so difficult, not difficult, more like after coming to this book I have had it much easier to digest all of this stuff. So it just sounds dumb. Even though like the sentiments being discussed, everything being discussed is good. It's good storytelling at least. Like it just sounds so dumb because of how simple it is to read. I'm not sure if it's a bad thing. It's just affecting me right now. Like I came from reading, I don't know, I had a habit of reading, I wouldn't say classics, but books of slightly older time. So I came off reading The Fountainhead by Ayn Rand. उसके बाद I tried reading George Orwell's 1984, but it's too fucking depressing. I'm like छोड़ दो इसको, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा. I basically dreaded reading that book. Uh, and so I'm trying to read this book which a friend of mine suggested. तो मतलब I don't know. I'll give it a read. I'll read it to the end, but let's see if I end up liking it or not. So far, I don't. Not a lot. But yeah. So that is what I was doing जब when the light went. तो अभी आ गई है. तो I think I should continue. The next thing that I'm going to do over here in this book is creating a multi-threaded web crawler program which sort of uses all of these concepts that I've studied so far. So synchronization primitives and creating your own thread safe data structures and all, ये सब करने मिलेगा इस प्रोजेक्ट में most likely. तो looking forward to do that and let's begin. चलो. Yeah, I'm not sure when it मतलब I'm not sure about how to write crawlers in the first place. ये ब्यूटीफुल सूप के बारे में सुना तो है मैंने, but I have never really worked with it explicitly. So I'll just follow code over here. I'll just see where the thread safe related code is written and try to understand that. ये थोड़ा निकालते हैं बाद में. I'll try to read this. As for I'm not sure if this should be in a notebook or a Python script. अभी के लिए टेस्ट में डालते हैं इसको. Anyways, we'll be working with this. Okay, now what does this code do? I'm sleepy. At the top of our class, we declare several variables. The first of which is the base URL. Base URL, which will be used to check and see what we have. See that we haven't left the site we originally intended to crawl. If you were to crawl, say, this, no. We declare the my SSL context, which will pass in as the context for our HTTP requests. And finally, we instantiate a new set called error links, which will be populated with any links that throw less than favorable 200 status codes. Status codes. ये SSL मेरे ऊपर से जा रहा है ना, दिमाग के ऊपर से जा रहा है, मेरे को कुछ नहीं आता है इसका. We then go to check. Fuck. We then go to declare our crawler's constructor function, which will set base URL, which makes sense. नहीं, कोड पहले कॉपी कर रहे हैं, काफ़ी है, पर फिर भी करते हैं. नहीं नहीं नहीं, क्या कर रहे हो? सही है. I do not get this code. Oy. थ्रेड नेम यूज़ नहीं हुआ है कहीं पे.